Okay, well, good morning from Bangkok, Thailand. Today, ang agenda natin ay pasyalan yung tatlo sa mga kilala at tanyag na coffee shop dito sa Bangkok. Basically, kilala sila dahil sa kanilang very aesthetic na vibe, ambience, and at the same time, food na talaga naman daw napakasarap. And at the same time, very affordable. And that is why kapag nagpunta kayo sa mga online platforms katulad na Klook, you'll easily find them to be part of some of the tours. Kasi people really like going there to have pictures, have video, experience the very nice ambience, very nice vibe. We've only seen YouTube videos and vlogs about these cafes, and today we will see for ourselves kung ano yung experience actually being there and tasting the food, immersing ourselves in the vibe, in the ambience. So yun ang agenda natin for today. We'll start with the first cafe, which is After the Rain. And then after that, punta tayo doon sa sumunod na cafe na malapit lang din doon, which is yung Bubble in the Forest. And then the last one will be yung Muyu Cafe. So yan yung tatlong coffee shop or cafes na pupuntahan natin for today. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so andito na tayo ngayon sa After the Rain. So first things first, libutin muna natin yung buong lugar. Let's have a quick walking tour of the entire place. Then after that, saka tayo mag-order ng food. Okay, so this is After the Rain. Very good. Okay, so tapos na nating kainin yung order natin dito sa After the Rain. And man, in fairness, they're all good, no? So yung grilled pork noodle, masarap siya, very tender yung pork. Yung noodles, sadyang may pagka-sticky ang texture niya. I suppose that's intended talaga to go with the very tender pork. And then yung sauce on the side, and it's just really good, talagang nakakagana. And then yung chicken naman, masarap din, very freshly cooked. Kasi yung meat niya talagang very soft, almost falling off the bones. No? And then yung sweet and sour sauce niya rin talagang masarap. Ito namang coffee na tinatawag nilang bird coffee is like cafe latte. Pero siguro times 2 yung yung essence ng coffee kasi malakas no? Matapang yung taste ng espresso, no? Now, for me, I like it. So all good. So next, tingnan natin yung bill. Okay, alright. Okay, so ito na yung bill natin. Siya. Alright. Yeah. So yung grilled pork noodle is 135 baht, and then yung deep fried chicken is 135 baht, and then yung dirty coffee is 95 baht. So total niya is 365 baht. Philippine peso. As of today, it's 680 pesos. So not bad for a full meal. I was supposed to pay by card, pero policy nila dito is that if you're gonna pay using card, then yung bill mo must be at least 500 baht. And just because it's less than 500 yung minahin natin, we pay by cash. So yeah, so that's after the day. Okay, punta tayo sa next cafe natin, which is Bubble in the Forest. Okay, see you there. Alright, so after the rain, eto naman tayo ngayon sa Bubble in the Forest, so, which is about I suppose 7 to 10 minute ride mula doon sa after the rain. That's why karaniwan, even if you watch vlogs about all these cafes, no, karaniwan talagang magkasama, no, sa itinerary itong dalawa, no, after the rain at saka Bubble in the Forest, and usually nauuna yung after the rain. So yun din yung ginawa natin. So again, it's about 7 to 10 minute ride mula doon sa after the rain. So heto tayo ngayon sa Bubble in the Forest. Okay, so ito yung second level ng gazebo, no? Dito sa Bubble in the Forest. So, ganda. Very serene, no? Perfect timing din kasi walang masyadong tao. So, very good. Very aesthetic. And talaga namang napaka-tahimik. You can feel that they're almost one with nature dito. Okay, so baba tayo. Crispy pork in chili and peanut. So, yeah. having all of this. Okay, so tapos na tayong kumain dito sa Bubble in the Forest. Yung kinain nating vegan pineapple fried rice, pati yung crispy pork with chili, salt, and peanut. Parehas masarap, no? Very refreshing yung pineapple fried rice and then yung crispy pork, talaga namang crispy, no? So, masarap. And it has a nice kick to it dahil sa chili. So, yeah, I enjoyed it, no? Masarap siya. So, right now we're just waiting for the bill. Pina-process na, and then after this, tuloy na tayo doon sa ating last cafe for today, which is Muyu Cafe. Alright. Okay, so ito yung bill natin dito sa Bubble in the Forest. So, yung pineapple na vegetarian pineapple fried rice, 279 baht. Yung crispy pork with chili, salt, and peanut is 239 baht. Ito naman ay yung bottled water. Tapos, okay, 10% service charge and then 7% tax back nila. So, ang total niya is 639 baht. So, in peso, that is 639. Yeah, so almost 1,200 pesos. Okay, not bad. Considering na masarap yung pagkain, tapos napakaganda ng place, napakaganda ng venue, very relaxing. Alright. Okay, so tapos na tayong kumain dito sa Bubble in the Forest, and our next and last stop for today is yung Muyu Cafe. Okay, so later ulit. Okay, andito tayo ngayon sa Muyu Rose House na meron ding Muyu Cafe. So, kaya siya tinawag na Muyu Rose House kasi eto, no, meron siyang mga parang villa, no, na for rent. Okay? I don't know if para siyang apartment or hotel rooms na pwede mong i-book. Pero yan, no, for lease yung mga yan. And then over there, yun namang Muyu Cafe. No? Actually, itong cafe na ito medyo looban pa, no, ng street. Doon sa bungad, andun yung talagang Muyu Cafe. Ito, bahagi ito ng Muyu Rose House. And it happens to be a cafe as well. Pero they don't call it Muyu Cafe dito. They just call it Muyu Rose House. Lahat ng nandito, Muyu Rose House. Okay? So, doon tayo pupunta ngayon para mag-coffee and mag-dessert for our last coffee stop for today. Okay? So, yeah. All right. Okay, so andito na tayo sa may cafe/reception area. So, maganda yung timing yung pagpunta natin dito. Kasi maliban sa hindi masyadong matao at this hour, which is 2:30-ish in the afternoon ng Wednesday, kung mapapansin nyo rin, yung weather napaka-friendly. Hindi siya mainit, hindi rin siya maalinsangan, no? Just right, no? And medyo mahangin. No? So, napakaganda ng weather at timing na pagpunta natin dito to pay it a visit. So ngayon, try natin yung coffee and dessert nila. Okay? Alright, so andito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng Muyu Rose House Cafe. And since tapos tayo mag-breakfast at saka mag-lunch, andito tayo ngayon for snack, no? Merienda natin to. So, what we're getting here is this slice of cake na ang tawag is golden hour. Yan. Okay. Golden hour. And then, this cake, by the way, is worth 245 baht. Okay? And then, yung drink natin, ang kinuha natin is yung kanilang iced Thai espresso, which is 120 baht. Order din tayo ng tubig for 35 baht na hindi ko inaasahan na ganito kalaki. No? So, anyway, that's good. More water for us. So, ito yung snack set natin, no, for this afternoon. I hope that we will also enjoy itong food dito sa Muyu Rose House as advertised, as promoted, by a lot of reviewers, vloggers, and influencers. So tingnan natin, no? Let's see for ourselves kung masarap nga ba at sulit yung food and drink dito, especially considering yung napakagandang ambience sa likod ko. Okay? So, yeah. Bon appetit! Masarap yung iced Thai coffee nila. Reminds me of Spanish latte. Okay? Except that hindi masyadong lasa yung condensed milk, no? And maybe because hindi condensed milk ang ginamit na dito. Pero parang ganun yung lasa. At least that's what I'm reminded of dito sa iced Thai espresso nila. Okay? Now let's have a go at their golden hour cake. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Wow. That is good. Wow, that is good. No? Masarap. Masarap. Very balanced yung lasa niya. Itong tatlong layers na yan, no, na composition ng cake, plus itong nasa itaas na parang transparent na kung ano man yan, no? So overall maybe 4 plus this topping, maybe 5-layer cake. Everything here, no? Just taste well together. So very good. Masarap siya. Very masarap siya. Really enjoyable. Okay, so tapos na tayong magmerienda dito sa Muyu Rose House Cafe. And ang total bill ng ating merienda is ito. 400 baht. So in peso, that is 748 pesos. So 750. No? So yeah. Yeah. With that, no? Natapos na yung ating food crawl for today. After we visited After the Rain, Bubble in the Forest, and then finally here sa Muyu Rose House Cafe. So at this point, excited tayo umuwi. Okay? So see you sa next walking tour natin. Okay?